Yo, this is Harry, and today we're gonna learn the polyphonic voice in just 1 minute. Polyphonic voice. So first step, you just need to whisper, like just whispering. I am whispering. Then just singing in your falsetto, which is just singing in really high note, like as high as you can. Now try singing in high note and whispering at the same time, like just whispering, okay? Then add the voice. Whispering, 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 whispering. It's like a very airy voice. Now, when you're familiar with that, just try to bring your voice back to your normal note, like don't sing in falsetto anymore. Just bring it back down to low, really low note. So yeah, polyphonic is just two notes at the same time. One is your voice and the other is your whispering.